All right, understanding the different staff roles in Celtic. Now, when you go to create a staff, if I go to my navbar, I go to users and permission, then I'm going to click on add user, and then from there I'm going to see position, select position. I will see the different staff position that in the drop down option. The first one is the branch manager, second one is account staff, and then the third one is POS staff. Now, let's understand what the branch manager is. Just as the name sounds, branch manager means that this person is in charge of this particular branch. For instance, I can have a business, and that business I have can have different branches, right? So each of those branches is going to have a manager in that particular branch, and that person becomes the branch manager. Now, the branch manager have the permission to add products and make sales, and every other thing that the POS can do. The branch manager has that permission. Now, after that, we are seeing the next one, which is account staff. We look at that later. Then the next one there is POS staff. The POS staff is just basically someone that checks out, right? The person is like on the counter. The person is sitting down when customers come, he will scan their products and then check them out, give them the invoice for them to make payments, or give them receipts after they've made payments, and then they go out. They're like the cashier, they are like the pay points, where the point where payment is being made, that's where they stay. So they scan if either with barcode scanner, or they can type on their PC or on phone if they're using phone. So that's basically what the POS staffs do. So the major difference between the branch manager and the POS staff is that the branch manager can add products, he can add inventory, but the POS staff cannot add inventory. Then the branch manager can create accounts, can create POS staffs under the branch, because you being the branch manager, you can actually create accounts, you can actually create your staffs in that particular branch. That's another difference there. So this is it about understanding the different staff roles, different staff positions in Celtic.